Tupua Horo Nuku, Tupua Horo Rangi. Tai kuku me mai ia takiwa ia mauri e runga kia oro wawe e mauri e raro ko I karo. Mairua tupua, mairua tā wito kāputo ko te ara tupua, Tupua Horo Nuku, Tupua Horo Rangi.
We've just had a really beautiful morning here at the gifting of the name Tupua Horo Nuku for this wonderful new shared pathway that we're building through the communities in and around Eastbourne. It's a beautiful partnership between Waka Kotahi and the government, Hutt City Council, mana whenua and community. And as government we've been really proud to provide additional COVID relief funding to make this happen in combination with funding from Waka Kotahi and from Hutt City Council.
Tupua Horo Nuku will be a vital piece of infrastructure for the Eastern Bays community and the link that it creates around Te Whanganui-a-Tara. Not only for walking and cycling, which is much needed and even from a safety point of view, but also for resilience of the road and ensuring that people can travel safely to and from the Eastern Bays.
This is a really fantastic day for Eastbourne and the Bays. People will be safer. All those people who don't send their children around on their bikes to go to school have said in a survey we did that if we had a safe way of doing it, they would love their kids to ride to school, and people who put their bikes on the back of their car to get round to somewhere safe to ride will be able to ride, and will also walk safely.
This is a project which is really going to transform things in the communities around here. It's going to give people the ability to make safe walking, cycling or scooting journeys around the communities. It's going to make things safer and better for local children. It's going to help us to reduce our carbon emissions, and as a part of the project we're also building new seawalls which will provide greater resilience as we face down climate change in the years to come.
Waka Kotahi, Hutt City Council, Te Atiawa, Taranaki Whānui and Ngāti Toa, as partners to this project, are very supportive of the cycleway and the benefits that it brings to not only the Hutt Valley community but to the wider city of Wellington. And of course, being around Te Whanganui-a-Tara, Tupua Horo Nuku, which is the phenomenon that has created the harbour along with Tupua Horo Rangi, Ngāke and Whataitae. It's a great opportunity to put our Te Atiawa Taranaki Whānui narrative and bring it into the modern world, and it's our mātauranga Māori, and share that with Western science and with the community of Wellington.
We're really thrilled with the story of Ngāke and the Tupua, so we'll feel quite differently now. I do now already when I ride round on my bike.
Te Aratapura Alliance was formed to deliver the Nauronga Ki Patone shared pathway between Nauronga Gorge and Honeana Tapuni Reserve on the Patone foreshore. It's so exciting to have a second pathway on the eastern side of the harbour, Tupua Horo Nuku. There's a beautiful synergy in building shared pathways on both sides of the harbour, utilising the same skill set that the Alliance has to deliver both projects.
It's a great project. It's one that, especially for Te Atiawa and Taranaki Whānui, where we want to improve our capacity and capability and the opportunities that come from that around roles within the Alliance project, education and careers. There's also opportunities there in terms of the environment and looking after our taiao, our birds, our moana.
So great to have this naming ceremony done, and looking forward to moving on to the next stages where we dig the sod on the shared pathway Te Horo Nuku, and we also move on to the construction and the opening later on.
It's a fantastic opportunity. We're really looking forward to starting that construction in the next 6 months.
It's terrific.